My name is Tara, and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel at Inspirational One with Tara. Today I'll be doing a general reading for Gemini. Wonderful Gemini. This will be a general reading that will cover possibly all across the board, relationships, life purpose, career direction, things of concern outside of specifically love. Now, love may come up in the messages, relationship may come up in a relationship, in the messages, but however, it's across the board. It could be love with family, that may come up. Spirit may speak about messages in regards to family relationships, but relationships across the board, and also life purpose, vision, courage, anything, whatever spirit decides to relay in regards to the messages, okay? So this will be a general reading. However, if you want a personal reading, you can go to my website at inspirational1.com. Click on the service tab and you'll see a variety of readings. Excuse me. Trying to gear up, trying to get it together. Okay. So this reading may resonate with you or it may not. However, hopefully you can get something out of the reading, possibly a morsel or a crumb, possibly a whole meal. Hopefully it'll bring inspiration to your spirit. Hopefully it'll bring clarity on some current issues that you possibly may be going through. Okay, so this will be for Gemini, and this could be a 3 to 5 card reading, depending on what the message is and how far out I would need to go. Okay? I can stop at 3 cards, or I can go into 5. All right. Just wanted to show you my stash of cards there. So I may be using one of these. Just wanted to show you that. I don't know why, but I got what is that? The messages, the animal messages by Steve D. I believe that's Steve D. Farmer. And a lot of times when I do readings, I'll start seeing, clairvoyantly, I'll see messages from, messages from animals. Okay, so I'll show you those cards. I may do a, what do you call it? Sheesh, my mind is like blank. Why? Why is my mind blank? A preview of the cards, a review. That's what I want. A review of the animal messages cards. I think I'm going to do a separate video on different reviews of the different cards I have, but just wanted to show you my collection there. Okay, so let's start. I don't know what made me do that, but I'm sure it'll be, that was interesting. Okay, so I'm going to start with the past. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm all over the place. But sometimes it's good to be all over the place. It's something different. Okay, so we have the Two of Wands. Two of Wands. And with the Two of Wands, immediately see with the Two of Wands, this is about building. This is about establishing a vision or a purpose or a pathway to a place you would like to get in whatever your passion is. This could be related to career. It could be related to life purpose. It can also be related to also love. Speaking of passion, a building of passion in your life in regards to possibly relationship, life purpose, or career. So with the Two of Wands, you're pretty much kind of pondering your visions and your goals. Okay? Whatever brings passion to your life with the Wands. Okay? Sort of like planting the seeds of what you desire to do. Okay. Spread your wings. It's time to fly, basically, what Spirit is saying. Spread your wings. Don't be afraid to make that move. And if you're weighing out a decision, you could be weighing out a decision between A or B, what I'm seeing in Spirit. And you could be at a point that you're trying to decide on a decision with a particular issue or a particular direction you would like to go. Okay? But it's time to launch or kind of branch off. You might have been procrastinating. There could have been a bit of fear in some type of decision, some type of move that you wanted to make that could be connected to a life purpose. It could be connected to a career choice. It could be connected to a relationship. Okay? So, this is what I see. Spread your wings. Spread your wings. But it's time to move. Start to spread them. Get in position. Getting in position to enable you to move forward. Okay, Gemini? Number 2. Now, this is the Tower card. But I tell you, that's why I like using these cards, because it doesn't look negative. It doesn't look fearful. It doesn't look, oh my God, what does that mean? It brings a sense of wow. With this visual picture here, it says wow. Rebuild. It's not scary. It's not that fearful thing like, oh my God, what's going to happen? I seen the Tower. What is going to happen? Boy, oh boy. It's different with this, You can interpret it in a more positive way just by looking at the picture. There's a woman standing there. Not really sure what this is. It looks like lightning. She's in a robe. She's pressing against, pressing against her chest, it looks like. Let me see what this is. But what stands out here is, from what I'm seeing, is the colors. This could be symbolizing the different chakras here. We have the solar plexus color. We have, which is the third chakra, which speaks about energy and vitality and inner strength. Okay? That's the yellow color that you see there. And we have the purple, which is the seventh chakra here. And that represents spiritual understanding, enlightenment. So I get a sense that this is where this rebuilding, this could be a rebuilding and a more focused in those areas of our lives, with the willpower, with the spiritual understanding. But overall, what I see about rebuilding is you may have to do a do-over. Okay, and I think I said this in another reading because I've seen this card. You may have to do a do-over if something haven't been working for you. Okay, so with the Tower, this could mean simply it's time to do a do-over. Something hasn't been working and it's time to make a change. Something has to be fixed, possibly, or worked on. There could be a need for healing in those areas that needs a sense of restoration, you know, in those areas, the solar plexus, the enlightenment, the spiritual understanding. These could be qualities that needs to be more enhanced or more focused on, okay, to get to the level you desire to go. All right? These could be the qualities needed to achieve your desired vision with the Two of Wands. All right? So, rebuilding. A do-over. Simply. A do-over possibly in relationship. Needs some healing in certain areas in relationship. Possibly with the Tower, sometimes usually mean if a relationship had ended and you're starting over again. Need a do-over. You know? Or not the same do-over if it didn't work out for you in relationship, but it tells you that whether it's time to move forward to new beginnings, to new happiness, a do-over, okay? Because maybe the last situation did not work. All right? So far we're doing good, especially with this particular Tower. And I like this Tower because it doesn't scare the hell out of you. All right. Let's see what, and that's the present. Okay? And simply we'll just say, oh boy, we need a do-over with this. Just a do-over. Just got to do it over. Now we have another Wands card, which is the Three of Wands. And look at that. We have the 2. See? That, and I like how that came out with the Three of Wands here. Look at that. Wow. I like that. Now, I like that because you're starting off in your past with the Two of Wands. The development of your passion. The beginning stages of where you desire to go. And you may not see the whole vision. You may not see the whole vision of your life purpose. You may not see the whole vision of your career choice. You may not see the whole vision of a relationship. Okay? But that Tower came in saying it's time for a do-over. If it didn't work out, if something is not working out for you, it could be time for a do-over. Now, with the Three of Wands here, take the lead. Rebuild with the Tower. Now you're able to take the lead. Something you were able to take out with the Tower, fix, and start over again. And with this Three of Wands, you now have more inspiration and passion than you did in your past with the Two of Wands. Now you have more with the Three of Wands, taking the lead. Okay? This is positive. This is really, really positive, Gemini. Taking the lead. Establishing. And you know with the Three of Wands, you in the regular tarot, right away, you have the guide there, waiting for that ship to come in. He appears to be established, or he appears to be focused on what he desires with that third wand. Okay, with that number 3. He appears to be, and this is what Spirit just told me, closer to his vision, and kind of see, now it appears that he may have not had the complete vision with the Two of Wands, but he may have had more of a clearer vision on the direction he wants to go with that Three of Wands. And he had so much energy and vitality with the Three of Wands. He has more than he did in the past, or then you will have more, whether it's he or she, than you did in the past with that Two of Wands. Okay? So that's good. But you just needed to do a do-over. Rebuilding. Wipe your slates clean. You may have to start from scratch again. Something didn't work out. You may have to start from scratch. Do it again. Do it again. And I'll pull one more card. And this, oh my God, Gemini, this is such a good reading. And this is such a good reading for career-wise, life purpose. I gotta strongly say for life purpose, because there's many of us out there that have dreams and visions outside of relationship, that will financially benefit our lifestyle. Okay? And with this Nine of Cups, dreams coming true is considered the wish card. Our dreams coming true, our desires. And we're speaking all about passion and desire in this reading. Success. And also when we run into obstacles. But still, even with that Tower do-over, the do-over paid off, because it allowed us in the far future, and this is the far future position, to achieve our dreams and our goals with dreams coming true. And it's right in the palm of our hands. Right in the palm of our hands. Our ability to be creative, whether it's to use our creativity whether it's our creativity that will be enhanced to achieve our goals in the far future. So this is definitely a reading about achieving our dreams, achieving our passion, and succeeding in life, getting to the place that we desire to be. So Gemini, if you were able to resonate, if this reading resonated with you, this concludes the reading. Give the video a thumbs up. Also, you can tell me how the video resonated with you by leaving a comment in the comment section below if you like. And also, I want to welcome my subscribers. I want to thank my regular subscribers for hanging in there with me. And also, I want to welcome my new subscribers just as well. And until next time, God bless.